to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
What's up, y'all? Happy Saturday to everybody. So real quick, today's video, I am going to, yes, I know it's Friday, but I'm saying Saturday because the video is going up on Saturday, alright? But anyway, so this video I'm going to answer a question from Ms. I think it's Mona Kadau, I think is how you pronounced it. But anyway, she asked a question on my video earlier, and she said, I couldn't quite understand it. It was mistyped a little bit, but basically it looked like what she was asking, or he, I'm not sure. Because it was two people in the profile picture. But anyway, they were asking, they were saying they on the step where you print the business cards and flyers for their cleaning business, and now they're trying to figure out what's the next step after doing that. All right, so first off, I highly recommend that you watch my video. Look up AJ Simmons How to Start a Cleaning Business, and you should click on that video and watch the steps because it'll tell you exactly what to do. That's the first thing. The next thing is, by the way, I don't think I told you who I am. So I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. My logo usually sits right here, but today I got on my wife's company logo, Regal Activewear. So check that out, regalactivewear.us. But anyway, let's get to the answer of this question. So the question was, what's the next step after getting your flyers and business cards? So the next step would be to go ahead and pass them out. So go business to business, go door to door, walk in there. When you meet with the gatekeeper at the gate, and I say at the gate, what I mean is the person sitting at their front desk, don't just settle for talking to them. Ask them, do you know who's in charge of hiring the cleaning company for you guys here? Once you ask that question, they should be able to tell you who to talk to. Then once you figure out who to talk to, ask to talk to them. All right, if the person can come out right then, hand them your flyer. All right, if the person's busy, then at least you got their name. Ask if they got a business card available so you can call later, and leave your flyer and business card with the person at that front desk. All right, and then you can call back later and ask for that decision maker who's actually in charge of hiring the cleaning company, and then you can call later and then try to schedule a walkthrough with them. Right, so that would be your next step. Now you know what a walkthrough is. It's simply when you have a meeting with the person in charge of hiring the cleaning company. Y'all walk through the building. You could take measurements with your laser measuring tool. All right, measure the square footage. Don't rely on them to give you the square footage of the building, because typically you're not cleaning the whole building from front to back, left to right anyway. So you really want to measure the square footage of the cleaning space, right, when you do that walkthrough. And I can't help but to notice this gray. I'm getting old, y'all. It's distracting me. But anyway, but yeah, measure the space, and then do the walkthrough. Ask for their pain points while you're doing that walkthrough. Then once you finish doing the walkthrough, go home, figure out how much you want to charge them, create your proposal, send it over to them, follow up with them until you can get them to agree, discuss the price, and then sign on the last page of that proposal, which will be your service agreement. You close the deal, figure out a start date, invoice them their first bill, and go start cleaning, y'all. That's all it is to it. So hopefully this video was able to help you, because I know that you said in your comment that you wanted to start and get out there this weekend and go do this. So hopefully this video found you in time to help you, and hopefully that was able to help. If you want more help, if you want to work with me, you want to holler at me, hop on a Zoom call with me, join Clean Biz Network, www.cleanbiznetwork.com. I will not lie, today, what is today? It's November now, my bad, November the 5th. All right, this video going out tomorrow, so it's really November the 4th, but anyway, November the 5th, today, it's $49 to join. That price will probably be up this week, all right, this coming week. So if you thinking about joining, just go and get in there now, because the price is about to go up. It's probably gonna go up to like $99 a month, or $97, or somewhere around there, if not $79, but somewhere it's definitely gonna be higher than the $49 that is at. So go ahead and get in there now. What comes with membership, we have a lead generation savings, as y'all know. So if you're a member, you get discounted leads. Right now, if you're not a member, the leads are $175. If you're a member, they're only $100. All right, so you get discounted leads. You get our starter course. So the cleaning business starter course will teach you every single thing you need to know to start a cleaning business, whether you want to hire employees or hire 1099 contractors. That starter course will show you how to do it. All right, everything, you name it. Even if you ain't got your LLC or nothing yet, that starter course will help you get all of that. And it goes as far as showing you how to hire, sample interview questions, the forms you need to have your employees or subcontractors fill out. You name it is in that course. All right, how to clean, how to bid, how to create a proposal, how to use our bidding calculators, all of that. So you get the course, you get discounted leads, you join our actual custom made, our very own Clean Biz Network. Is a network full of entrepreneurs in the cleaning space. We're not no Facebook group. It's a real actual social network just for the cleaning industry. All right, so that's the third thing. You get the network. Fourth thing, I do Zoom calls twice a week right now. So you hop on the Zoom calls with me directly. I answer your questions every Tuesday and Thursday right now. That could change in the future, but that's the schedule right now. What else you get when you join? You get access to our bidding calculators, our proposals, all of that, y'all. So just join it. Now I'm at cleanbiznetwork.com. And to the person whose name I forgot, asked the question, hopefully this video helped you. And for everybody else watching, hopefully this video helped y'all as well. I'm AJ Simmons. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, leave some, give me some feedback, share it with somebody that share my channel. Maybe this video won't be the one that you share, but share something on this channel that will help somebody else grow. As y'all see, I'm trying to grow over here, like we all are trying to grow. So, I'm helping you grow your business with the content I create. Help me grow my business by sharing the content that I create. So, thank you for watching. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.